Stop drawing lines. Lines don't exist. This might be the biggest conspiracy theory in the artist world, but in my opinion, lines are a trap for new artists. We get obsessed with the lines, the so called line art tutorials on YouTube. Oh my god, guys, the lines, so important, guys. The freaking lines, man. Stop. I'm not a professional artist or anything, I'm just an aspiring one. Okay. But I only started noticing significant improvements once I lost all respect for the lines. I spit on the lines. I despise the lines. Okay, I actually love lines, but I hate drawing with respect for the lines. And I can easily explain why. There is no lines. There is only shadows and values. Capiche? Understand, guys? As a matter of fact, many times when you draw a line, the line itself doesn't even belong to the thing you are drawing. For example, why is there a line here? Explain to me. His hair is white, the background is also white, the light comes from here, from the top right. That's what I've decided here. So why, I ask you? Because the line is a representation of the difference in values from the hair to the background. So, in conclusion, the line you see here is not even the character, the line is the background. Like what's happening here with the wings, the same thing is happening when you draw this line over here. You see? But why do we draw a line? Because we just love lines, man. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.
Instead, only try to realize the truth.
What truth?
There is no spoon.
There is no spoon?